How to loop YouTube videos using the mobile app. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. It has an icon that resembles a red rectangle with a white play triangle in the middle. Tap the YouTube icon on your home screen to open the YouTube app. Step 2. Tap Mac Spotlight. It's the icon that resembles a magnifying glass. It's in the upper right corner. This displays a search bar at the top of the screen. Step 3. Use the search bar to search for videos. You can use search terms to search for videos by category, or you can search for videos by name or channel. Alternatively, you can select a video from the home page, or tap subscriptions to view the latest videos from channels you are subscribed to. Tap Explore to discover new videos to watch. Step 4. Tap a video you want to play. This starts playing the video in the YouTube app. Step 5. Tap vertical ellipsis. It's the icon with 3 dots in the upper right corner of the video playback. This displays a drop-down menu. If you don't see the icon with 3 dots, tap the center of the video to display the user interface around the edges of the video playback. Make sure you are watching a video and not an ad. Step 6. Tap Loop Video. This turns looping on. The video will repeat continuously until you stop the video playback. To turn looping off, tap the icon with 3 dots in the upper right corner and tap Loop Video again. This only applies looping to the current video you are viewing. This does not turn on looping for all YouTube videos. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.